Did you know Ralph Lauren's original name was Ralph Lifshitz? Did you know Elvis's middle name was Aaron? Did you know Bill Gates began programming computers at the age 13? Did you know Madonna and Michael Jackson were both born in 1958? Did you know Isaac Newton invented the cat door? Did you know Einstein slept 10 hours a night? Did you know Sir Isaac Newton was 23 when he discovered the law of gravity? Did you know scissors were most likely invented ancient Egypt? Did you know Elvis Presley made only one Tella? If you like the video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.